Hi guys, today we're going to try a new kitchen gadget. This is called a pineapple coral. So we're going to unbox and we are going to try it out on that little pineapple. Just so you know, I have never used a pineapple coral, so we're going to do it together. So I'm unboxing it right now, and it's a very simple device in a little box. And we are going to wash it off. I wash it, obviously, and we're going to try it out on that pineapple. So those are the instruction, and it's very simple. You just cut off the top of the pineapple, put it in the center, then turn it clockwise, then pull it up or turn it up, whatever, and then that's it. So let's try. We're going to cut off the top of the pineapple. I put it flat there on the surface, then I center the coral. And I'm turning it clockwise. Guys, if you know the anticipation, I was wondering if it's actually going to work. But it did. Continue to turn. Look at me reading the direction. I wasn't sure. So I continue, and then I'm starting to pull it up. Then I started turning it. I started to do so many things. And look what is about to happen. I got it. So it was perfectly done, and it was done within minutes. And I was so surprised because I always peel pineapple and it takes so much time to peel it with a knife. And this just a game changer. So I'm putting it on a plate. Look at that. It was perfectly done. The core was left inside. It was just amazing. I got a lot of the meat as well. The problem that I had was that I didn't know how to remove it. So I started to figure it out. I didn't know I was just supposed to remove the black part and invert it and it would be done. So I was trying to figure it out. I couldn't figure it out. So I started to like wrap it off. That didn't work. And I tried to wrap it and it didn't work. So what I did, I just grabbed the knife and I pulled it up on that thing. And I just literally cut it with the knife and it worked. But that's not really how you do it. You just take off the black part, invert it, and that's it. So you can see right there from the plate that it was done properly. It was quick, it was ready easily, and I was very happy. So next time I'll know how to take it off. And I think this is a great little thing. So your girl is going to take advantage of the skin to make our pineapple juice. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoy. See you soon.